Hello everybody, this is Rajab Nacha, Technical Product Lead at Vardot. In this video, I am going to show you how to use the new online VS Code tool. For example, if you are logged into your GitHub account, usually we used to get the code locally and we install Visual Studio Code locally and we open it with that. Just for example, for now, navigate to your repository. After that, you just go to your address bar in the browser, and just before the URL, type vscode.dev slash and hit enter. It will open your repository, and you can do all your changes inside the browser. For example, you can edit your scripts and do whatever you like to do and changes. And if you are logged in with GitHub, you can create issues, commit your changes, install plugins, do some debugging, and even search the code within the VS Code. It's a really nice tool. For example, if you want to browse another repository which is not yours, for example, the Bootstrap repository, you just go to the browser, navigate, and just before it, VS Code as well, .dev, then hit enter. You can, for example, navigate the code and see all things inside it. You can usually you do it. So you only need a browser to to edit any code or to browse any code, then commit online. Thank you guys. I hope that you make good use of this online tool, vscode.dev. Thanks. Cheers. Bye bye.